Okay, here we are. It's Sunday, August 18th, and we've got the end of the Hurricane Ernesto Swell, and it's actually looking pretty good. We've got some offshore winds today. The swell's hung in there, and it's looking pretty good. Oh, look, it's Bill. Yeah, I haven't been out much.
Yeah, I figured this might get you out.
Yeah. I've been really picky.
Yeah, I hear you. Well, there hasn't been much.
No. I got out about a month ago.
Spring and summer.
Go ahead and take it.
Kind of crusty in there.
This is a brand new board. It's the first time out.
Wow. Nice.
This stuff is kind of slick. I'm slipping on it. It's not broken in yet.
Doesn't have its screws yet, does it?
It has nothing. It's just like right out of the package.
It's been a weird morning. It's been all over the place.
Yeah. The closeout, I think. Ooh, baby. Yeah. Oh, there's a shark.
Yeah, dark.
What's that? Oh, it is?
It sends out a magnetic
Oh, really?
thing, and yeah. Wear it on your wrist or your ankle.
Okay, so I'm the real shark bait then.
Yeah, and between that and you, that's big. Well, for you it worked on your ankle and your wrist because you're going in the water. It's not bad. Just don't want to put it near a cell phone or anything because it's got a huge magnet. But it doesn't harm dolphins or anything. It's just sharks. Sharks don't like the electronics. It jams your signal when you get close to it.
Dustin! How's it going? Looks pretty good. I didn't go out yesterday. Today's the day. I don't know if this is any good or not. I don't know if I can catch a left off this or not. I'm not going to catch it.
Here we go. Go for this.
Get it, get it. Okay, that was a fun day out there on Hurricane Ernesto Swell. Great day to spend an early Sunday afternoon with Bill. And I got a little bit surfing in there with Dustin as well.